Today we're going to learn about Unistrut. So Unistrut is this product. It comes as like a C channel, and you can mount stuff with it, and it's got these holes. Usually get it in 10 or 12 foot lengths, which then you can cut. I like cutting it with a Milwaukee bandsaw. Now to mount a Unistrut to a wall or a concrete, or you can mount it to whatever, it's already got these holes which are designed so you need an appropriate size screw and a washer typically, or lag bolt. Really, it depends what kind of surface you're mounting to. And then to mount, or you could use a threaded rod. So threaded rod also comes in 12 foot lengths, and it's basically, this is a threaded rod. You can use a threaded rod to mount a Unistrut. So say I got my ceiling here. I can put a nut and a washer and a threaded rod. You see that? And I can hang my Unistrut from something. But it goes in the opposite direction too. So generally, to mount something to a Unistrut, we use these spring nuts. This is a nut kind of with a spring on it, and they're flat. Now you'll see there's one curved edge. So the way you put these in is you push them down. You want the spring, if you've got a flat, if you got a Unistrut with holes in it, then you're kind of in a pickle, because the springs, they like to slip out. But basically you put this in and you twist it. Okay, so now I've got this in here. Now this only twists one way out and one way in, so make sure you put it in the right way. And then if you want to attach something to your Unistrut now, you can use a nut, or if you're building a contraption, so this nut can go in here with a washer. And now we got something solid. Or you can use a threaded rod. So threaded rod will fit. Sometimes you don't know what you're doing, so you can cut the threaded rods a bit longer. You can put a threaded rod with a washer. So sometimes we're building something and we don't really know our obstruction. Let me give you an example. So I'm trying to mount a TV here, and then I got a pole going up here, but I've got conduit in the way. So this is my mount. So I'm sort of building a Unistrut. So I've got a Unistrut above the conduit. Now this is resting on the conduit right now, but it's gonna be screwed into the ceiling, into the studs. And then I'm gonna have my threaded rod come down, and then my mount is just gonna fit on the threaded rods, and this is gonna just sit like that. So if you have any questions, please post a comment. Thank you.